Hi, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I apply my resin. I've already mixed it equal parts of part A and part B and stirred it and let it sit for a little bit so that all the little bubbles can come out. So I'm ready. What I do, I just pour it on and I have my hand underneath to catch the runoff. And that will help basically spread it as well, because I now have, the leftovers that I caught in my hand. And then I move a little further up on the cup. Same thing, pour it on and underneath to catch it. Easy peasy. Working my way all the way down to the bottom of the cup. And for the bottom, I just put some in my hand and smear it on there. And then do the edge again. And just a little bit right there at the very lip of the cup. And that is it. 2.5 minutes and we're done with this cup. Thanks for watching.